The int data type is a 32-bit signed 2's complement integer. One bit is used to store negative or positive sign, and rest 31 bits are used to store values. So its value range lies between minus 2 to the power 31 to plus 2 to the power 31 minus 1, or its value range lies between minus 2147483648 to plus 2147483 means minimum value that can be stored in an int data type is 2147483648 and maximum value is 2147483647. Its default value is 0 when not initialized, and the variable type is instance or static. The int data type is generally used as a default data type for integral values unless if there is no problem about memory. So let's understand it with demo. I have created a demo, int demo, and first we will check for the default values of this integer type. So within main method I am printing both of these. Now compile it, close it, and run main method. So the default values are 0. Now clear it. This time we will try to initialize these variables with a number. So minus 32768 is within this range, so no problem. And here these two lines we will comment. Now compile it, close it, run main method. Okay. Then we will try to initialize with a character type like this. But as I have said earlier, if you know that your value range is between this, then you should use byte type to save memory. Okay. So now compile it, close it, and run main method. We know it will store 97. Then again double click it. This time we will try to store a Unicode character. Now compile it, close it, and run main method. Okay, so the value we got is 16. So you got a clear idea about all this. We will store a binary value. So let it be static int x equal 0b0010. Okay, now compile it, close it, and run our main method. Okay, so the value stored is 2. So now you got clear idea about int type variable.